Jai Hind students, welcome in live class. Students, today we will continue to discuss formula and functions. Previous class we have discussed its few points. Students, points are, now I am sharing the PDF. Students, points are working with formulas, basic formula, compound formula. Now these 3 points we have discussed previous class. Students, today we will discuss the how to use the range in formula. So students, now we just going to open the MS Excel 2016 blank workbook. Okay students, now here we will enter the name of students, suppose serial number, name, 5 subjects, suppose start from English, then Hindi, Maths, Science, then SST. One, then 2, and using there should be 5 issues. Should be center, each and every one they should write the center. Here we is writing here name, A that is B, C, then D that is E. Out of 100. Okay. As same Maths, Science, then social study, okay students, now we have written this serial number, name, now 5 subject, marks. Now we will add here total. Students, previous class we have told how to add the number. Here we want to use the range. So how to use the range? Suppose we are using first, we want to add them. So the function we are using the sum function. Start from the equal sign, then we have to write the sum. Now bracket, start from the h, from here h5, okay, h5. Now here written h5. Now semicolon, that is colon by the shift, okay. And then last one social study, h5 to l5, close the bracket. Now enter, press the enter button. 247. Again I am telling students, equal sign, sum, now bracket, from where you want to start, from h5 colon shift use, now bracket close, press the enter. Now we have got the first value. So what we have used is students, sum h5, between h5 and l5 there are 3 values, i5, j5 and k5, but we have not indicate them. We have already indicate from ending, from starting and ending, the last one is ending. It means the range is from h5 to l5, we have taken all the values. So this is known as the range, h5 to l5. So all the numbers start from the h5 and to come l5. So all the numbers will be included and add them using the sum function. Clear? And now we will drag, see everyone, this is mouse, and when we cursor should come here, now drag it, what we will get? All the numbers, means B, C, D, E, all we are getting the added, okay, total marks we have get it. Okay, you can see here the range is given H5 and L5. Next one is given H6 and L6. Now changes the address S7, L7, now H8 and L8, and there is given H9 and L9. So by this way, what we are getting, as we are just going down, so the address, that is range, has been changed. So it means this is we are using here a range formula. If suppose basic formula we have already discussed, so suppose we want to use that basic formula, total and what we will write for basic formula, equal, then address from start, then plus sign, then again at plus sign, now the third one, then plus sign, fourth one, and also plus sign is here, then last one is here. Now enter press. Now we have got the same value, you can see students, H5, I5, J5, K5 and L5. Now we will drag it, the same answer will come. It means what? Students, we have used the same formula, we have used the different formula, but we have got the same answer. But students, you can see here we have used only sum and that the range. But here we have written all the address. Suppose there are only 5 section, 5 subject is given. Suppose they are related to marks, 15 or 20 columns are given. So what should write? You will write from H1 to H20 or H25. So what will be? It is taking the too much time. So better that you use the sum and range formula. There is given also, you can see students, we can assign the multiple cells to a formula by creating arrange. By using range, we can save a lot of time. What we are telling here, this is difference. Here, this is difference. We are talking about the 5 subject. If suppose we have talking about the 10 subject, 15 subject, we want to add them. So what method you will do? Sum function or this basic formula? Better, I think everyone, sum function. Sum function only from the beginning and the last. But here, what we are doing, each and every address we will show with the plus sign. So better that range is the better than basic formula. Clear students? So there is written here, by using the range we can save a lot of time. For example we have told you. Clear students? Now next one is given, using the formula on text. Formula on text, it means कि suppose you want to add the 2 characters in third column. Okay, so that process known as the concatenation. It means merge the 2 character, 2 text, and with this text will be added with the ampersand sign. This ampersand sign we are getting there, numeric key 7. If shift key you will use there, then you will get there, but it is above the alphabet keys, not the side of the alphabet keys. Clear students? So how we will do this? Suppose there is given, enter the any string type value in cell A1 and B1. Keeps in A1 and B1, that is the India. So now joint it, keeps India, he has got. See everyone, suppose in A we have written like that, whatever the written here students, this way, keeps India. So same place we are writing also, A1 keeps and India. Clear students? In C we want to add, we should write there, so keeps India all together. How we can show it? First of all, equal sign, then address of, what address is given? A1. Now what we have told? Wait. This should be equal sign. Just we are running here. Equal sign, then A1. A1 we have written, now selected. Now ampersand sign, ampersand, and then B1. It means you can see here, if A1 and B1 we have written, then it is be selected. Now press the enter. See here, what we have got, all together KIPS India. Clear? Here the same thing is written, KIPS India, A1 and C equal A1 and B1, ampersand sign B1, KIPS India has got. Now there is given I love computer. So see everyone. Here we writing here. Okay, I love computer. Even see equal sign, then what? A3 now. A3. Then ampersand sign. Then what? B3. Ampersand sign. Then C3. Okay, press enter. C1. There is written. That is a bold. The size should be greater. Here given I love computer along together. Clear students? So what's saying that how we can merge the text file only using the ampersand sign, or what we can only we can add them. We cannot subtract, multiplication or division. Clear students? So now next topic is type of cell reference. Type of cell reference. The cell address in a formula. Cell address in a formula, that is known as the cell reference. Student, we can see here, this is the cell address. Okay, this is cell address, and here this cell address showing the cell address there is given. The cell address in a formula is known as the cell reference. With the help of references, we can find the values or data in a worksheet, whatever we want to use in formula. There are three types is given: relative reference, absolute reference, and third is the mixed reference. Okay, mainly, and one more is given, that is this is the difference reference, circular reference. First we will tell about this reference, cell reference. The first one is relative reference. So relative reference, when we want to create a formula, references to a cell or range are usually based on the position relative to the cell. When you copy the formula to another cell, the reference cell automatically gets changes in some function we have told you. Suppose there is given the same way we are writing here, January, February, the month is given, the expenses. Okay, expenses. The month given, six months we have taken. Clear? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Now here 2000, 20,000, okay, students, we have written. Now what we have told, relative reference, you can see here, here we have written general, incentive reference, Yes, we have taken okay. Now we have written then incentive expenses and expenses. Now we want to add here equal sign, sum, then bracket, start from here, colon, till here, close bracket. Now what we have got? We have got the sum of expenses. Now if you want to add here incentive expense, so what we have to do? Look everyone, without using the formula, means here we have used. Now with the help of this formula we want to add it. Here what the address is given? D12 and D17. Now students, you can see a shape of the mouse this way. Now when we'll got it, now drag it. See here what happened. 37235, this is adding of this value. Here we have add this one, now we have got this adding value. What? Now you can see here the D12 and D17, but here what the change here? E12 and E17. Means in cell address, when you create a formula reference to a cell or ranges are usually based on the position relative to the cell. When you copy the formula to the other cells, the reference automatically gets changed. We can see here now changes here, no students. What is there is the reference cell D12 and D17, but here we have got what? E12 and E17. So this is the cell reference. Clear students? This is the cell reference. The part is the relative reference. And here the given example, A3 is A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2, and you copy the formula from A3 to B3, Excel automatically changes the difference to match the location of cells. That is B1 plus B2. Let us we can do practically. Here given the B12, that is the B11 and C11. So then B11 in which formula we have used this one, B4 to B9. Now when we will drag it to C11, so what the formula has been changed. What the name of formula? There is the C1, okay, C4 and C9. Observe that the cell reference of C11 changes automatically from B4 to B9, that is C4 to C9 students. You can also calculate the sum of the range by using the autofill handle. Here they are asking about a clipboard. Everyone see. Suppose here we have deleted. Okay. Here we have gone here. Now here the copy option is given in home ribbon, home menu bar. The ribbon is clipboard ribbon, and here the copy option is given. We have copied here. Now we have gone here where you want to paste here and paste it there. See here. This is the using of the clipboard options. And when you want to add the second one is given, you can also calculate the sum of range by using the autofill handle. This already we have used the plus sign. Students. See everyone. Here, now this is the handle, drag it, now we have got. This is the students autofill handle. Clear students? So with the help of this one we can add the other series of the number. Clear students? Next, absolute reference. What are absolute reference? This is given. Absolute reference is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell. While copying the formula to another cell, do use absolute reference in a formula. We can first of all see the example here. Cells is given, expenses is given. Now here finding the 10% here written, we can see here B4, that is the same what is given here. So $D and $1. Now it will not change. $D, $1. Suppose here $D, $1. This is principal we have written 3,000, 30,000, 46,000. Okay, clear? Time is given for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, then 5 years. Okay, here 43. Okay, wait, this should be the 4. Now suppose we have written here 10%. Here we want to find the SI. Clear, students? Now what we have to do, students? Rate we have written here. This is the sale of J2, means the rate should not be changed. Other one can change. Issuance equal sign. What the address of here? J14. Okay, J14 already given. J14, then what you want to multiply? Multiply 2, multiply, then K14, then what multiply? This one is. This should not be changed. What we have to do? Multiply, then it is the address is J2. So we will write here $J, dollar sign we are getting on the shift 4. Shift 4 $J, then $2. Okay, slash 100. 6,000 we have got. Now students, when you will drag it, what happened? There is given a $1, $J, $2. Second one, $J, $2 is given same, but J14 or K14 has been changed. We can see here. Similar third, J16, K16, but $1, $2 is same. J17 it changes, but $1, $2 is the same, and here also same. It means what we are saying here, they all the principles and time it changes, but rate is the same for all the values. We are not changing with the help of the absolute value. $1 we have used. It means if we will use the dollar sign, so value never will be changed. Issuance. Clear? Issuance. Now issuance, again we will revise whatever we have told you. First we have discussed about the range. In range we have told you here how to use, what the benefit of the functions and what the benefit of formula. Formula, if you are using the basic formula, and if you are using the function sum average this, so time taken by the average formula, that is average means basic formula, and if you want to save your time, to use the better range formula, that is sum average this all the formula. Next one is we have told text, how to use the text. KIPS option we have written and India option we have written. Now we want to merge it. So what we have told, A1 $B1, so we can merge them. Clear, students? Next one is given range formula we have discussed, formula on text is discussed. Now cell of reference means cell address, it is given cell, so we can say that is also a cell reference. The type of the given the relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. In relative reference, they note if you will add them, want to another add them, so we can easily the address will be changes. But in When we talk about absolute reference, if you have your dollar, so never value will be changed when we are using the dollar sign. Okay, and also we have shown here students. Also we have shown here, and also you everyone seeing here how to use the dollar sign. Clear, students? So basis on this one, whatever we have told students, you have to practice at your home. Clear, students? Basis on this one, what we have told in formula and functions, range, how to we can decide the range, how we can use the range. Next one, how we can merge the 2 text, 3 text or 4 text. Okay, and cell address. What are cell address? We have told here cell reference, that is known as the cell address. What is cell reference? Okay, cell relative reference. Relative reference, they are when we are going to from one place to another place, then there we can change the sign, the address can change. But in absolute reference, if you are going from one to another, if you have used the dollar sign, so we can never change the value of the absolute reference. Clear, students? So students, whatever we have told you, you have to practice, and whatever we have given previous question answer etc. If you have not noted, so again just notate it and start the learning, students. Clear, students? So students, now I am leaving the class. Thank you, students, and Jai Hind.